here we are back again. Second strip down here. There's the engine after I've taken the top end off. Everything's ready to be refitted. It's what I've taken off that's important. Here's the first thing. That's the cylinder head. Even after just 50, 60 or so miles of testing, you can see the effect of the oil leaking into those cylinders has on the valve system there. Completely caked up on the left cylinder, which was doing most of the work, firing on one cylinder for a lot of the time, and it's just oily. I'll have to take that to bits and do that again. Now, this is engine 2. This is a question. I took the cylinders off thinking I can put the cylinders and the pistons from engine 2 and just see what they like on there. Well, I found out that these conrods are 447, so the pistons are longer, so they didn't fit on that one at all. In fact, they came through above the they're too long. Now I'm going to try and do this. I couldn't turn this engine because there was a very, very peculiar noise. I'll just see if you can hear it. I don't know whether you heard that unfortunate sounding noise. It's not running smoothly at all, or it's not turning. Has anybody got an idea? Is there something trapped down there? The chain's freely moving. I can drop that and then pull it back up. That's no problem. Just release it and then pull that back up. Difficult to do it with one hand, but you can do that. That's okay. But something's either jammed or not turning down there. Help. More later. Looks like I'm having some fun dismantling these bikes. It's putting them back together.